Hi, I'm Sudhir Barge. I and my family are going to Ratnagiri for the annual Newry Trek, which is going to be held on 17th. And that's my daughter Achita taking some still photographs. Hi Achita,
Hello.
are you enjoying the ride?
Yes, it's a very beautiful place here.
And that's my wife Ujjwala walking in the distance and stretching out her legs. And there's some nice songs playing on the Art of Living CD.
Krishna Narayana Namo Namo Narayana Namo Namo Narayana.
We have now halted at a place called Amba Ghat. This is on the Kolhapur-Ratnagiri highway. The whole area, hillsides, are covered with fog and mist. I'll just pan out from the left to the right. And the hillside is thickly covered with green, lush green forest. There you can see Ujjwala and Achita walking up. I am now in proper Ratnagiri, and this is one of the viewpoints near Thiba Palace. What you can see is the backwaters from the seaside. This viewpoint is just opposite the collector's house in Ratnagiri. I'll just pan on to the right side, that is going towards the sea. What you see is an area called as Bhate Beach. It's another tourist spot in Ratnagiri. I'm at present at a place called Karba Devi, and the beach that you are seeing in front of me is the Karba Devi beach. You can see my wife Ujjwala walking towards me on this beach. Due to the rainy season, the waters are very close to the shore. And this is my daughter Achita walking along the beach on Karba Devi. Hello Achita. Are you enjoying the beach?
Yes, yes, we are enjoying beach a lot. It's going to rain now.
You got your umbrella. This is one of the suru trees which is now uprooted, and it looks like a driftwood piece. I am at present in the Kalba Devi temple. This is a Shankar Mahadev ka temple, and there's an old historic bell which they say they have got from the Portuguese in Goa. This is that old historic bell. It's a huge bell. It dates 1737. Shankara pinned inside. There are beautiful pillars, wooden pillars, very old, ancient. These are the two beautiful stumps, deep stumps outside the temple. Now I am moving to the right so that you can see the temple in the background. That's the temple in the background. It's a very old ancient temple with that which is on the road from Ratnagiri to Ganpati Pule. Absolutely beautiful. These are the boats parked within 100 meters from the temple. All this area is the backwaters of the Arabian Sea, and this village on my right, these are the boats parked in the shade for the rainy season. They are covered up like we wear raincoats. They are also covered up, and they'll be brought out only after the rainy seasons. This is the village of Kalba Devi. A beautiful, untouched tourist spot. It has retained its virgin beauty because luckily lot many tourists do not visit this place, and so the original virgin beauty is unspoiled. 12 o'clock ahead of these 2-3 boats is another group of boats which are parked far, far away near the hillside. I'll try to zoom on to them.
You can stand here also.
Those are the distance boats.
Stand here. Boats can be up here. That will be very beautiful.
Because of the distance, it is difficult to focus onto them. Bharti Shipyard. Now I'll zoom on to the Bharti Shipyard. There you can see the ships which are either docked or they must have come for repairs. This is the Bharti shipyard of Ratnagiri. This is the start of the Arivare beach, one of the best spots of Ratnagiri. Hi Achita, did you like this Arivare beach?
Yes.
Why don't you go for a swim? You can see some youngsters swimming there. So that was just the start of the Arivare beach. Now and those were the boys swimming there. This is now quite far away, and now I'll pan on from the left to the right to show you the sea as you see it from the Arivare beach. It's absolutely beautiful. The white frothy waves of the sea are a sight to see. It's a long curving beach right up to Ratnagiri. And this is the Arivare Hill Road. This road goes from Ratnagiri to Ganpati Pule. There are lots of tapri stalls along the Arivare beach, and I'll just focus on to one or two of them. Here you got the whole list of what is available for eating, and here you'll find the coconuts, nice lovely green fresh coconuts. Nice big ones, and the eats available. I can see some churmura and some misr and some shave and salt and nimbu and some onions. हे कांद्याचं काय करता तुम्ही?
भेळ बनव.
अच्छा, भेळ मध्ये. आपलं नाव काय?
दिशा वारेकर.
हा?
दिशा वारेकर.
कुठे राहणार आहे?
वाऱ्यात.
वाऱ्यात. हे किती दिवस झाले हे स्टॉल लावून?
5 वर्ष झाली आहे.
वा, चांगली कमाई होते काय?
सीझनला होते.
वा, व्हेरी गुड. सकाळी किती वाजता उघडता?
10-10:30 ला उघडतो.
आणि संध्याकाळी किती वाजेपर्यंत?
8:30.
I am now at a place called Mirya, and this is on the opposite side of Karba Devi. Karba Devi was the place we went today early morning, and this is the masjid and the temple that we visited also, with that Portuguese bell. I'll zoom on to that temple. This is the temple where that Portuguese bell was there. We have come on the other side of the sea now. That is towards the Ratnagiri side. And there's a lovely mosque, small mosque or masjid on the Karba Devi Peninsula end, and a nice beach along. And there you see the Arabian Sea. And that sharp cut in the hillside or the mountainside is the place known as Arivare, where we had taken a few photographs of the sea waves. That sharp cut is the place known as Arivare, Arivare Beach. We have now come to a place very close to the Bharti shipyard, and this spot is known as the Miria Jetty, which was constructed in 1940. This used to be used during the time when there were ships, transport by ships from Bombay to Goa. This is the old jetty, no longer in use now. Come, I'll take you down the steps. This is the steps leading down to the jetty. And the good old famous banyan tree or fig tree, which the branch is shaped like a swing. And this is the road down to the jetty. Is the tree where it's like a swing, the branch is shaped like a swing. We always visit this place whenever we come to Ratnagiri, and it is just next to the Bharti shipyard. Shortly I'll show you the ships parked in the Bharti shipyard. This is the Bharti shipyard on Miria. On the left of the Bharti shipyard is a small tiny beach, but nice white sand. काय बरेच मासे सापडले काय? हा नाही हा हा अच्छा खात नाही. There are two local fishermen fishing here, but that is with a hook and twine. They did catch one fish, but they say they don't eat it. I'll focus you on to the fish. That is the fish they have caught. It's quite big, about 9 inches in length. But he said they don't eat it. The beach that you see in the distance is known as Pandra Samudra. And at the right end of the Pandra Samudra beach is the famous fort plus a temple on top, which is also a nice tourist spot. It's a huge beach, long beach. At the right end is also the Narmada jetty, which produces cement, and their raw material comes at this jetty. And on the left of the beach is the Ratnagiri town. This is the famous Bhagwati Mandir fort or Bhagwati Killa. There's a nice temple on the top, and just at the bottom of the temple, where the sea meets the hill is a huge cave. I'll now zoom on to the cave and show you the cave. That is the cave, and you can see the waves dashing against the rock and entering inside the cave. The froth has become brown because of the mud mixing with the wave force and churning it up. I'm just taking you along the beach side and showing you this Bhagwati Mandir fort. That is Ujjwala walking around and stretching out her legs. This is a very popular tourist spot. The Bhagwati Mandir is quite a religious place. And the mud here is so red in color. And there is my daughter sitting on the edge here, on the ledge. They have made a nice boundary wall sort of thing. And there's a lot of breeze coming. The breeze is very, very strong. One feels as if one will be blown off from here. There you can see the waves dashing against the rock and the spray. Rising up in the air. It is also known as Kala Samudra because the sand here is quite darkish grey or black in color. The end point of the hill that I am focusing in the center of the video is the lighthouse point. I'll zoom on to the lighthouse now. That is the lighthouse. This is the outskirts of Ratnagiri town. This is the Suruban on Bhate beach. There's a little bit of car parking space, and the Suruban extends right throughout the beach. And then we are back again to the sea. You can see the sand on the beach is all blackish or dark grey. But there are a lot of tourists who have come for a dip. The beach is quite safe here. There you can see the tourists having a little bit of a dip. Mostly family members. And that's Ujjwala as usual, stretching out her legs and enjoying her walk. We are now at Dr. Anil Birje's and Sudha Birje's farmhouse. This is the actual beginning of the Newry water trek, and we always begin it with a little bit of small Somras Puja, which you will see shortly. Okay, with that, I hand you over to Dr. Anil Birje. By the way, I forgot to mention, this is the 33rd year of this Newry trek. Over to Anil Birje. Take over.
No, this one has come, Mr. Birge has brought it all the way from Pune. For us to celebrate. So let him open this. Pathankot. From Karnal Survey. They have come all the way from Pathankot. Punjab. So here there are double strong.
Double strong.
This will come on YouTube. आम्हाला दिसत नाही
चालू दे. Carry on. हाँ, आता पूजा ते झाकणात
आचमन करायचं
जरा जोरात.
आता प्रत्येकाने दारूच्या नावाने एक
ऐका
प्रत्येकाने हे म्हणायचं, दारूय नमः, मद्याय नमः, हातभट्टीय नमः,
लिकराय नमः,
दांडिया नमः, रमाय नमः, जिनाय नमः,
देशप्रेमीय नमः. देशप्रेमी म्हणजे का? देशी पिणारे.
डबल घोडाय नमः, दारू दुकानदाराय नमः, दारू बोटलाय नमः, सगळ्यांच्या नमः काय?
नमो नमः.
लवकर करावं, घासा सुकला.
नरेंद्र मोदी नमः, कारण त्यांनी दारूबंदी केली नाही. 85-86 झाली, विधानसभेचं तिकीट द्यायचं होतं. मला तिकीट जवळजवळ देणार निश्चित झालं होतं. आयत्या वेळा दारू दुकानदाराला तिकीट दिलं गेलं. दारू दुकानदार. त्यामुळे त्याच्या भावाने मला सांगितलं, डॉक्टर लक्षात ठेवा, ब्लड इज थिकर दॅन वॉटर, बट दारू इज थिकर दॅन ब्लड. त्यामुळे त्या पुढारी आणि ते एकत्र बसून पितात, तेव्हा त्यांचं रिलेशन जास्त आहे. तेव्हा त्याला तिकीट.
Yes.
स्वाहा 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 स्वाहा.
या वांग आहे ना.
तू घे ना.
एकही थेंब बाहेर पडता कामा नये.
This is his son Nikhil. Before we go ahead to the next program, now Mr. Maluste will give us small talk on Dr. Anil Birje. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Maluste.
29 जूनला डॉक्टर बिर्जेनी वयाची 75वी वर्षी पूर्ण
लाऊड.
केलेली आहे.
थोडं लाव.
हा ट्रेकची तारीख आधीच ठरवलेली
कम
होती
क्लोजर
17.
कम क्लोजर.
त्यामुळे त्या वाढदिवसाला आपण सगळ्यांनी एकत्र यायचं असं ठरवलेलं होतं, परंतु ते जमलं नाही. पण आम्ही आमच्या काही मित्रांच्या समोर त्यांचा वाढदिवस साजरा केला आणि त्यानिमित्त मी त्यांच्याबरोबर रत्नागिरीत आल्यापासून एकत्र असल्यामुळे त्यांना एक गौरवपत्र लिहिलं होतं, ते मी तुम्हाला वाचून दाखवतो. त्यामध्ये त्यांचं रत्नागिरीतलं सगळं आलंय असं माझी कल्पना आहे. तर मी सुरुवात करतो. हां येस, हे गौरवपत्र आहे. आपण सन 1969 मध्ये रत्नागिरीत दाखल झालात ते वैद्यकीय व्यवसायाच्या निमित्ताने. तसे पाहता आपण रत्नागिरी तालुक्याचे सुपुत्र. त्या काळी हाताच्या बोटावर मोजण्यासारखे डॉक्टर्स रत्नागिरीत होते, परंतु बालरोग तज्ज्ञ जोडली गेलेली आहेत व हे जोडले गेलेले नाते कधीही तुटलेले नाही, कुणी पाहिलेले नाही. उलट ते वृद्धिंगत होत गेलेले आहे. आपणच नाही तर आपले कुटुंबही हा वारसा आपल्याप्रमाणेच चालवत आहेत. हे आम्ही सर्वांनीच अनुभवले आहे. त्यांची प्रत्येकाकडे पाहण्याची दृष्टी आपलेच प्रतिबिंब असते, हे सर्वांनीच अनुभवले आहे आणि आजही अनुभवित आहोत. आपण म्हणजे उत्साहाचा कळकळ वाहणारा प्रवाह असं आम्ही नेहमीच म्हणत असतो. खरोखरच ट्रेक असो, कायाकिंग असो, याटिंग असो, अगदी लहानशी सहल, अगर स्नेहसंमेलन असो, आपण तरुणाला लाजवील अशा उत्साहाने आजही सर्वांचा आनंद द्विगुणित करता. असा हा आपला सर्वांचा लाडका मित्र आज वयाची 75 वर्ष पूर्ण करीत आहे. त्यांना आम्हा सर्वांच्या लाख लाख शुभेच्छा. देव करो व आपल्याला अशाच उमेदीचे उत्साहाचे दीर्घायुष्य लाभो ही आमच्या सर्वांची ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना.
एक मिनिट होल्ड ऑन. होल्ड ऑन होल्ड. हां This was Anil achieving 75 years of age. We are at present in the Sri Devi Jholai Mandir, which is just near the start point of the Newry trek. A small puja is always offered here. I'll take you inside the temple where Mrs. Birje is offering, and these are the statues of the Devi. I'll just This is Sudha Birje and her daughter-in-law offering the puja at this Jholai Mandir. And Jholai Wagzai Mandir.
उत्तम रीतीने सगळे व्यवस्थितपणे सुखरूपणे परत येऊन दे त्याची सेवा करून घे आणि सर्व कर्मांगली शिवे सर्वांना साधिके शरण्ये नमः नारायणे नमोस्तुते एकदंताय विद्महे वक्रतुंडाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वांना साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणे नमोस्तुते.
We are now at the starting point of the trek.
Newry trek.
Anil Birje is just opening his umbrella. टोपी पाठीमागे घ्या जरा.
टोपी मागे या. दिसत नाही.
हां ते बघा. He is starting to bat. He is not forgetting his cricket days. So that is Anil Birje doing the opening ceremony of the trek. Now I'll show you the other kids who are enjoying the dip. And that is the Empire. The rain has started as a downpour, and now I'll show you the pretty mermaids who have come here.
मरमेड इकडे बघा.
Mermaids.
Turn around.
Mermaids. These are the pretty mermaids who are posing in the heavy rain. Thank you. I hope you're enjoying the trek.
The chief boss आला. Mrs. Birje.
And there's Mrs. Birje,
आइए कमल साहब.
Sudha Birje also coming after the puja, escorted by Achita. So that is the start, and a few latecomers coming in the back.
मैं कैमरा कवर करता हूँ.
तो कैमरा है.
नहीं शुरू हो गया ना. चलो दारू भी लेंगे. क्या हाल है? बहुत दिन मिले नहीं.
I suppose they are waiting for the rum and coke bottle to reach them.
दोनों टांगे डूबे मेरे. गोरे में देखते हैं ना, बिस्किट डालते जा रहे हैं. इसमें गिर गया.
हाँ,
यूएस यूके.
चलो पोज वीडियो है तो इकडे
ओ स्माइल प्लीज.
स्माइल प्लीज स्माइल. So that is the start of the Newry trek. And I'm forgetting my good old friend from WhatsApp group of Dost. On the left is Vijay Jemnis, the handsome young dentist from Ratnagiri. He's also a leg specialist because recently he went on a foreign tour and he went to admit his daughter for her delivery and managed to get admission himself for his broken leg in the hospital itself. He broke his leg in the hospital. And on his left is Colonel Survesh. He's a guy who settled down in Ratnagiri. That is the odd defense representative in Ratnagiri. And beside me is a pretty young lady, or should I say a pretty young girl. There she is very frank because she managed to break her husband's leg. And there is Sudha Birje, accompanied by Achita Barge, and they are just standing in front of the place where the trek starts from. Okay, see you in the middle point during the breakfast break. Bye. It is a lush green forest surrounding this Newry waterfalls. I'll just zoom on close and show you the waterfall in detail. The trek started about 2 kilometers downstream, where I showed you the children taking a dip. Now all that crowd of 20-30 youngsters will be walking through that stream and coming up to the waterfall itself. And after spending some time at the waterfall, they will come up to Dr. Birje's farmhouse, which is very close by behind us. And then we will have the lunch program. Of course, throughout the trip, everybody is enjoying rum and coke. That is the petrol for walking through the stream.
सबका ले लो. सूर्या आंटी का
That is the top of the waterfall. That is midway and down below. And this young lady is giving my camera some shelter from the rain. I made her hold the umbrella so that the camera doesn't attract any water drops. And the other people are Mrs. Surve and Mrs. Barge. And this is Colonel Surve. We are all now heading towards Dr. Birje's farmhouse, where we'll have lunch before dispersing off at 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
जीवन के सफर में राही मिलते हैं बिछड़ जाने को और दे जाते हैं यादें तन्हाई में तड़पाने
को
जमाना खराब है.
ब्यूटीफुल.
त्याचा घसा सुद्धा म्हणून थोडा पिळून घेतो.
कुछ बन संवर के ऐसे निकलिए न शाम को. कुछ बन संवर के ऐसे निकलिए न शाम को. कुछ बन संवर के ऐसे निकलिए न शाम को. कुछ बन संवर के ऐसे निकलिए न शाम को. कुछ सोचिए जना जमाना खराब है.